What is he doing? Alright, now you can re-steer it. Now you can do it. Now you can do it. Do it! There you go. Cut down a little. Alright, alright. Alright, you don't gotta rear steer now.
G-Speed.
No, it's not me.
Capra?
No, I'm running the Enduro. The Enduro.
Stealth X transmission from Enduro Element. I like the transmission. I know.
So the motor is here. It's still down low. It's the spur which is sitting here.
That sounds really safe at USC. That sounds really
And I like the cab. I like the theme.
Oh, but it's not ideal from the clearance perspective. So I'm going to replace it with something else.
That's so cool.
Oh, I know what it is.
Come on, get up there, boy. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Tandem.
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 Tandem, come on. You gotta go closer. You gotta go closer. Hold on, let me turn on my proportionate.
Proportionate. You got it. Now your position. Go.
In position. Left of it. Oh crap. I need to be able to steer it. You get it? You gotta go up a little.
Yeah, you gotta go over that.
Eric's like, yeah, come on. Eric's like, too slow. Oh, come on, man.
Slowpoke.
Too slow. Hey, keep throwing more pressure. More pressure.
Yeah, you get it. Get it in there.
There we go. Yeah, you gotta one passenger. Yeah. A little bit more. Double. That's what happened to me.
Too wide.
No, you're good. I made it.
Oh, just get your wheel over that
I
ledge.
know.
Stop.
I know.
You got it.
Roll.
Come on.
Yeah.
Too slow. I haven't done it here. Standing here is so hard. My eyesight's not that good. I'm old, man. What is he doing? Is that how you do it?
Yeah. Let the front steering out a little bit. Let the rear turn. No, yeah, like that. Oh, yeah. Yes. Let's go. Oh, dude, that was so cool. Rear steer. Winning right now.
That proves that close.
can do without using like you guys.
Nope. Look over your gear.
So much control. Oh, out of battery.
Yeah.
Doesn't look
Oh.
good. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching Vic's on Hobbies.